Hello guys and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Evolution. So let me present you a quick overview for my YouTube channel, this one that you are watching videos on right now. So I will go over details that I see here. So right now I have 1520 subscribers, up 148 over the last 28 days. And I'm really grateful for you guys that you have subscribed and you have also clicked the bell notification to get notified each day I release a new video, because you enable this to happen. And also views are slightly up, watch time slightly up, revenue is greatly up in the last days because I enabled more types of ads for my videos. I will be back on this in a minute. So what is interesting to see here is also that I get more views on my latest videos. So these are my top performing videos right now, around 160 views in the last 48 hours. This is okay. Now let me show you in the video section. Right now it is 20 May and I have scheduled videos each day already until the 30th of May. So I have 11 videos already uploaded and they are scheduled and they should go live each day at 8 PM GMT. So if you want to watch these videos, please hit also the bell notification to get notified each time they will be published. So these videos will be published automatically. I pre-recorded them already. Okay, now let's go to the analytics section, because I want to talk about some things here. So views are pretty stable, watch time is also stable, subscribers, yeah, stable, and revenue, this is what I wish to tell you more about. So as you can see, my daily revenue was around $2 and $3 at max. However, in this period it doubled because I enabled more types of ads on my videos. So if we go to a video here and we click edit, we will see that the monetization option will have also the skippable video ads. So I enabled these skippable video ads on more of my videos from my channel, and this made the earnings boost that you can see in the analytics. So this was not enabled for most of my videos, but now I enabled them just to test them and to see how they perform. And if we go back to analytics and click on revenue, we will see the revenue is rising here in this period compared with this prior period. So this was the point when I enabled more types of ads for my videos and the revenue went up. Okay, so we can go in detailed view here: reach, engagement, audience, revenue, and revenue is similar. Okay, so yeah, this is the most part of my channel and this is the overview of it. I want to brag also a bit because I have 11 videos already scheduled for publishing and my channel goes on autopilot from now on, because I already done the work for creating these videos and I can sit back for 11 or even 12 days with this specific video that I am recording right now, and my content will go and continue to be published on autopilot without me doing anything more. So yeah, this is the overview of my YouTube channel. So as you can see, things are stable and revenue is up, and yeah, I hope that things will turn out even better in the future for this channel that I'm building right here. So yeah, okay, this is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, please subscribe and hit also the bell notification to catch all the videos that will be uploaded each day at 8 PM GMT. So yeah, thank you for watching this until the end. Have a great day. Stay safe. Bye bye.